What do we have here? It's a big box of goodness from LT Wright Knives. Yep, this is going to be the unboxing of the Shemanese. Thanks for joining me. Hey, this has been a long adventure getting to this point, and I wanted to give you some background information on the Shemanese before we start unboxing them. Screw all that. Let's just get to it. What better knife to unbox with than the prototype for the Shemanese? Ta-da! That is lovely and does my heart some good. Let's open one of these up and see what we have. All right, so let's get one of these out and see what we have. If you're not used to getting an LT Wright knife, you get these knives and they have a couple LT Wright stickers on it that just makes it completely theirs. If you look on the end, you'll see that they have information, the Shemanese, ABL, saber grind, brown, burlap, matte finish on the sheath. On the handle itself. Check it out. Isn't that pretty? It's just like Christmas again. JRE Industry sheath that we've done several videos on now. And da-da-da, the knife itself. Very sharp for sure. Sharpened spine on the back like we've been talking about. Saber grind. Absolutely gorgeous burlap micarta handles. Everything is exactly what we want it to be, and this one's going out to somebody real soon on a list. That might be you if you're ordered. If not, we've got another order. We sold all of the knives out of this order, so we're putting them back up on the website again, and we're starting it all over again. We've already had 4 or 5 people wanting to buy a knife, and I'm out already. So with that said, that's the unboxing for the Shemanese. It's the best thing to ever come out of a Kentucky and Ohio collaboration. Come on, join in. Let's cut some stuff together.